Alright, today we're going to be unboxing the Mortal Kombat X Collector's Edition. This is the Amazon exclusive that has to be imported. You cannot get it in the US unless you have it imported from Amazon. Alright, so just kind of show you the box a little bit. This is the sleeve that's around it. Sleeve comes off. Inside we have the game. We have the comic book. You said anything good? Alright. A couple people have asked to see the comic book that it comes with, and so I'm just going to flip through the pages real quick. If you want to pay more attention to it, just pause it. I'm not going to stay on the page very long. Alright, that's the comic book that it comes with. Let's see here. A little bit of packaging here on the side. This looks to be the steel case that comes with it. Alright, so this is the regular game. This is what you'll find in any retail store. This is an additional steel case that you open it up and you can put the disc inside, and mine is 65,906 out of 70,000. So mine's kind of high on the orders that were done. And this little card looks like it pops out somehow. Well, I mean, it pops out, I'm pretty sure. And then it's got a full design on the back side of it. Pretty cool case. I like it. Now, the whole reason I bought this thing right here. Alright, that is a nice statue. So I'll bring it in a little bit closer here and get a good look at it. Very impressed with this. This is top quality. I have the Halo 3 Legendary Collection, the Halo Reach Legendary Collection, and now this. And I've seen some other ones in person, and this is probably the best limited collector's edition that I've seen in person. Alright. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.